Another day for Palantir stock with another all-time high. Oh my goodness, guys. We got to break this down in this video. The charts, my thoughts, some news that we got recently, and overall what I'm looking to do, guys. Cheers. I appreciate you all for tuning in. Let's break this down. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moo. Open up your account using that link down below. Deposit at least $100 and you get 5 free stocks, and deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more free stocks, and overall your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So again, guys, use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/moo. What are you waiting for? And with that being said, cheers. Let's get right into the video. So we're smack dab in the middle of the day right now, and Palantir stock is right around $70 per share. It is in the red right now, believe it or not, down about 1.6%. But guys, it's all good because earlier in the pre-market, we hit another all-time high. Unreal, right? We hit $72.19, which, by the way, yesterday, this thing popped right out of the gate. It opened up at $66, and we ran all day, pretty much closing at 71 a share. We went up 7.5% throughout the day yesterday, only to go higher, even higher today in the pre-market. And now, up until now, we have gotten a little bit of a pullback. I mean, you guys can see we opened up at open right around $71. We saw a bit of a pull down to about $68.70. But now, again, we're slightly recovering. We're pushing $70 again. And it looks like, guys, I don't know about you, but to me, it looks like, first of all, we broke out of this triangle that we called out, right? You guys remember that? We talked about this triangle. It broke out yesterday. The proof's in the pudding. You guys see right here, we broke out of the triangle yesterday, hit another high today, and now we're pulling down. And guess what? We're not only holding yesterday's support as support, but we're also holding above $68, $69 as support right now, which was resistance for a good 10 days. That was the high of the ascending triangle. So we broke out. Now we're pulling back. We're holding that old resistance as support, and now we're getting the pop or the continuation, shall I say, here in Palantir stock. I mean, on the 1 hour time frame, we're above the 50 SMA still. Buyers are coming in there. We're above the 180 SMA, clearly. So all eyes are pointing, or all signs rather, are pointing to more upside right now. I know it's crazy. We've gone up so much, but it just doesn't want to stop. It does not want to stop here, guys. So the charts look phenomenal. We're breaking out. Buyers are coming in exactly where we want them to, right at about $68, $69. That's looking really good. And we got some news. I believe this news came out yesterday, which is pretty much moving the stock right now, guys. Let me pull this up. And by the way, run those likes up. Make sure to subscribe. I think 75% of you guys watch the content, but you're not subscribing for some reason. And we're so close to 45,000 subs. And right after that, we're going for that 50,000 subscriber mark. I appreciate you guys. So yesterday, Palantir was granted FedRAMP high baseline authorization. And if I zoom in a bit here so we can see exactly, so you can see what I'm seeing, we can see right here, FedRAMP is a government-wide program that promotes the adoption of secure cloud services across the federal government by providing a standardized approach to security and risk assessment for cloud technologies and federal agencies. This high authorization builds on Palantir's previous FedRAMP moderate and DoD IL5 and IL6 authorizations and enables the U.S. government to process the most sensitive, unclassified workloads in Palantir's cloud offering, which is huge news, guys. Take a look here. We're proud to have achieved the FedRAMP high milestone for our full product suite, including our award-winning AIP, which is transforming the speed, scale, and efficiency with which the U.S. government can operate across civilian, defense, and intelligence agencies. With the addition of the PFCS SS FedRAMP High offering, Palantir is excited to accelerate our work with other technology partners, big and small, government or commercial, to enable their technology to be securely operated on behalf of USG missions, right? And that's coming from the CTO and president of Palantir USG. He also said this milestone is an affirmation of our ongoing commitment to upholding the highest security standards and being trusted to handle our government partners' most sensitive data and workloads, which, yeah, that's big, guys. That's big. The government, their partners, allow Palantir to handle some of the most sensitive data and workloads, as well as their commitment to enabling the entire American technology base to support critical government needs. So this is big news, guys. Very big news. And it goes to show just how great Palantir is as a company, the trust they have with the government, how AIP, the artificial intelligence platform is crushing it. This is all very good news, and probably why PLTR is moving past $70 at this point. Why it got that move yesterday, right? So that's big news from PLTR that we just got. And yeah, I'm pumped, man. Even though the stock's up so much, all signs are pointing to maybe more upside. Now, is it guaranteed that Palantir is going to rip and start mooning towards 75, 80, $100 in the next couple of days? Obviously, that's not guaranteed. Nobody knows what's going to happen, which is why we have to monitor the stock. We have to, break down these charts so we can make as best of an educated guess as we can. And that's kind of one of the many things I try and do here on the YouTube channel. I try and break down the day-to-day so you guys can get an idea, and so I can get an idea of what we can expect next. Am I always right? Is everything always on point? It's not. It's impossible to always be right, but we try our best here on the channel, guys, and that's kind of what I'm noticing right now as we're in the middle of the day. We're looking really good here on the chart, despite being up so much in recent time. And look, Palantir is down on the day, but the entire stock market right now is moving, man. We have the Russell up 0.4%, same with the S&P, and the Dow is slightly up more than that, about 0.5%, but we have QQQ, excuse me, guys, up around 1%. QQQ actually just hit an all-time high today. You heard that right. All-time high today was hit, which you shouldn't be surprised if you've been watching my channel. We've been covering this. We called it out. I'm not surprised. You're probably not surprised. I think SPY might have hit another one today. 606.50, another all-time high. So, yeah, man, markets are crushing it. Palantir is crushing it. It keeps on moving. And I'm holding. I'm holding on. I'm long. I'm holding tight. I'm not selling. I'm not buying more. I'm just holding on to my position. So, guys, what are you doing? Let me know in the comments. Hit the like button. Join the email list. It's free. Check out the Patreon if you want to keep up with what I'm doing in my real money portfolio. We're buying stocks every single week. Those are linked down below. Same with your free stocks from Moomoo. They're waiting for you guys. Use that link down below. Open up your account and deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So again, guys, all the links are down below. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next video.